In this video, I'm going to give an example of how to go between rectangular coordinate and polar coordinate. Let's consider this example where we have xy pair or xy coordinates to be negative square root of 2 comma square root of 2. Our objective here is to find the corresponding r comma theta corresponding polar coordinates that's going to be identifying this point negative square root of 2 comma square root of 2. Now it's very easy to do. We know that x is equal to r cosine of theta, okay, and y is equal to r sine of theta. So my x coordinate is negative square root of 2, right? Negative square root of 2. That must be equal to r times cosine of theta. And my y coordinate is square root of 2, which must be equal to r times sine of theta. So if I square both of them, so I'm going to get square of negative square root of 2 is going to just give me positive 2. And on the right hand side, I'm going to get r square cosine square of theta. Similarly, if I square it, I'm going to get 2 is equal to r square times sine square of theta. Now, I'm going to add these two equations. If I add them, I get r square times cosine square of theta plus sine square of theta is equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. But cosine square of theta plus sine square of theta is 1, right? So r square is equal to 4. Therefore, r must be 2. So the radius associated with this point is 2. Now we need to find the angle theta. We know that tangent of theta is equal to y over x. My y is square root of 2 and my x is negative square root of 2. That gives me negative 1 because square root of 2 and square root of 2 is going to cancel out. So tangent of theta is equal to negative 1, or theta is equal to tangent inverse negative 1. Now let's keep things simple. Tangent inverse of negative 1 is my theta, so is going to be right here in the second quadrant. So this is going to be my angle. So this is x and this is y. Okay, this is the theta. And as you know, this theta is nothing but 3 pi divided by 4. Where does it come from? We know that tangent 45 degree or pi over 4 is nothing but 1, right? So since tangent is negative on the second quadrant, we just add pi over 4 plus 90 degrees or pi over 2. That gives me 3 pi over 4. So this is how you'll go back and forth between rectangular coordinate and polar coordinates. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.